Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Figma how to fix position when scrolling. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In Figma, if you want an object like header button or stick element to stay in place while the rest of the frame scrolls, you can use the fix position when scrolling. So to do it, simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type figma.com, and once the Figma loads, select the project that you are working on. Then once you're inside your project, what you need to do is select the object. Let me just select the object right here. Then once that's done, on the right sidebar, you'll find an option that says constraints. Then inside constraints, you'll see a checkbox that says fix position when scrolling. Simply check that box and enable fix position when scrolling, and you can also just simply select the image and then head over and click on prototype options, and then here under scroll behavior and in position, what you need to do is select fix stay in place, and then once you preview by clicking on the play button right here, the selected object will be stayed in place. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.